And thank you so much for joining me. I'm Eric Tolman with an update on our very, very stormy weather. Severe thunderstorm watch continues for Bay, Midland, Saginaw, Tuscola, and Huron Counties until 3 a.m. this morning. Once again, severe thunderstorm watch continues for Bay, Midland, Saginaw, Tuscola, and Huron counties until 3 a.m. The potential threats will be damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour, large hail in excess of 1 inch in diameter, locally heavy rainfall leading to poor draining flooding. And remember, always have a severe weather safety plan in place. Have multiple ways to receive warning and weather, warning watches and advisories, etc. Stay tuned. We'll talk about the rest of the weather coming up, and I'll let you know when these severe weather and strong storms finally exit southeast Michigan. I'll have more on the severe weather coming up right after this and latest updates. Please stay tuned. I'll have more on the severe weather threat for southeast Michigan.